Hey everyone, my name is Akaya. I hope you are doing well. I just wanted to give you a little bit of my backstory. I remember when I actually have been doing YouTube probably for about a good 10 years now. When I first started YouTube, it was just to be able to start because I have always wanted to be on camera since I've been young. I always wanted to be an actress, so I was able to really get in and just make whatever I wanted to be able to make. And when I say, guys, my channel blew up, it did really, really good. I was doing really good. And then all of a sudden, guys, I got to a point where you don't want to get to a point of thinking that it's going to always be there. You always want to make sure you are always commenting on your comments. You always want to make sure you are giving that community, because sometimes when you get used to having something so high, you forget to do that community, and then everything can kind of plummet. And that's kind of how mine did. But what I can truly say is I still got my little bit of community, but I feel like, to me, I need to get my people back. When you make sure that you stay consistent on a continuous basis, you stay make sure you stay in the trend. Make sure that you put out your just who you are. Try not to go and copy off somebody else. Make sure that you are staying true to who you are, because when times do plummet, you're still going to be in there and won't give up. Because I'm not gonna lie to you guys, sometimes when my videos don't do well like they should, and I see other people's doing real well, I get discouraged. But then I think about it, I'd be like, why am I getting discouraged? I am still, if I'm able to help at least one person, that's helping somebody. It don't gotta be 50 million people, 30 million people, but I'm telling you, that one person, if you can help that one person, you most definitely want to do that. When I say I love what I do, I come on and talk about hair, I talk about my dog, I talk about just all kind of things. And a lot of people say don't do that, but sometimes when you do that, like for instance, I get a lot of views on my dog, and then I don't really sometimes get a lot of views on hair. And that's really what my channel is. It was based on hair, doing hair, but sometimes you just want to adventure out. You never want to just stay in one box, and sometimes you can get caught up in that. So I'm the type of person, I like to talk about all kind of different things. Everything. So if you are looking for somebody like that, I would love for you guys to make sure that you follow me. And not only follow me, I'm going to follow you back. Always make sure I keep etiquette. Like if you are commenting on my stuff, I'll always make sure I'm commenting. That's a very good thing and very important. When I first got monetized, it's crazy because it's been so long. I was trying to go back and think about it. I didn't have that many subscribers at all, and they actually asked me. Back in those days, they would ask you. But if you just stay consistent, you talk about what's real, what's true, what's on your mind, then I'm telling you guys, your channel would do well. And just because you see somebody with a whole bunch of subscribers, that don't mean that their channel is doing well, because you can have a bunch of subscribers and low views. And that's what I feel like now that I have. And I think that really came from, again, like I said, my channel plummet, and I was doing really, really well, really, really well. And I got to a point where you kind of, I'm not gonna say that you think you all that, but you got to always make sure that you know that even though you rise, you can always fall. And I feel like, to me, that's just it was maybe God just like, you know what, you, hey, you get back on your grind, because I kind of fell off for a little bit. But I can truly say, just keep making it, keep pushing, and I'm telling you, your videos will do well. You can just come out with all kind of different things. Like some people be like, well, you need to stick with the same thing. I'm telling you, you just never know. Just try different things. I'm actually 46 years old, and I am a good content creator. I enjoy putting out content. It don't make a difference of what age you are. Just as long as you make sure you stay consistent, you stay compassionate, you put out there good things, good vibes, the people going to come. So stay positive. Again, like I said, guys, go ahead and follow me. I'll follow you. Always make sure that you are paying it forward. When someone is commenting on your videos, make sure you do the same. Okay, just want to come out there with you guys and just let you know, go ahead and get monetized. You don't have to have thousands and thousands of subscribers. Once you get started, make sure you put God first. Make sure you stay confident, and I'm telling you, your channel go stay good. And not only stay confident, make sure you don't forget where you came from. Because again, a lot of us, especially like a lot of us older YouTubers that was doing really well, you'll hear how they say, you know what, it just got so overwhelming, this, that. No, don't let it get overwhelming. Enjoy what you do, and then you won't be stressed out doing it. And years later, you won't be getting back on here saying, oh my God, I was so depressed. I would no, just do what you do, enjoy what you do, put God first, and you would do a good job. Okay, just wanted to come that real quick, because I know a lot of people was asking me like, how did I get monetized, how you get monetized. I'm telling you, just come, be true, and people will like you. That's the main thing. Get your community, make sure you get your comments, make sure you get your likes, because without those and getting in that algorithm, your video is not going to do well. So just do that. Okay, be blessed, guys, and I'll talk with you later. And comment below, guys, what are y'all seeing going through this, trying to get monetized, trying to get your channels on point? What are you going through? What's a dilemma that you having? Go ahead and just comment it below, and we're gonna get this conversation going, and we're gonna get these channels going. Okay, bye, guys.